kako ang salama.
Yeah.
Mami o leanga. Lea se sio kako ako koa.
Sorry there you.
Pele o e lea na maliwa ile li. On a hill far away stood an old rocket cross, the emblem of suffering and shame. And I love that old cross where the dearest and best a word of lost sinners was slain. I will cherish the old rugged cross till my trophy at last I lay down. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a ground. Asko fangolongo may upol pese. It's a feeling. To the old rugged cross I will ever be true. It's a shame and it proves gladly been. Then you help me someday to my home far away, where His glory forever I'll share. I will cling to the old rugged cross till my trophy at last I lay down. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a ground. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. Toto te mai mamoe ia sausauina mwha maloloi nai oi. Amen. Ko wa oi le si mea oi.
Fa mai ia mana i malene. Sole le oloi makaka ngako le kumule pasia.